Vandipranthan വേണ്ടി ലേ മെറിഡിൽ വെച്ചിട്ട് ഔഡി ഇന്ത്യ ഹെഡായിട്ടുള്ള ബൽബീർ സിംഗ് ദില്ലുമായിട്ട് നടത്തിയ അഭിമുഖത്തിൻ്റെ പൂർണ്ണരൂപം. വീഡിയോ ഇംഗ്ലീഷിലാണ്, വീഡിയോ കാണും. Basically, first we got the invite to this meet. I thought to ask about the product strategy and something like that, but I would like to start with the new showroom in Kochi.
So basically, today we are announcing the takeover of our existing business in Kerala by a new investor, which is PPS Motors.
PPS Motors.
PPS Motors.
Yes, PPS Motors.
They already are our partners for a long time in Hyderabad, and Vijayawada and Vizag. And they take over all the facilities in Kerala. So we have one showroom in Kochi, one workshop in Kochi, one workshop in Kozhikode, and one workshop in Trivandrum. And with all the same team members, they will continue in this business. So it's a changeover of investor, but I am sure it will be good for the coming times for customers, for us, and also for them.
So basically the showroom still same, the workshop still same, only the investors changes, so the name will change, branding will change, something like
Audi Kochi will remain Audi Kochi.
Okay.
So that is how it will remain. Only the legal entity change, and we will do some renovation in the showroom. But most importantly, for our existing customers, we have more than, let's say, close to about 3,000 customers in Kerala. So our focus is that we take care of our existing customers, and we will come out with different programs for our existing customers so that they are happy. If our customers are happy, we will get more customers. So Kerala is a very, very important market for Audi India in our growth strategy. Normally it contributes in a normal circumstances, let's say 4 to 5% of our sales should come from Kerala. And we do anticipate in the years to come this sales will grow. Kerala is a very progressive market. Customers are very well traveled globally, very well educated in Kerala. So because of that, they always demand from us the best possible cars, all the cars which are globally available also in Kerala. And I am sure with the new investor coming in Kerala, we will be able to help get more cars into the Kerala market and make our customers more happy. So last year we grew at 101% while the industry grew by 40% in luxury space. But most importantly, we launched 9 cars, and of this 9 cars, 5 were electric cars. So we are let's say one of the manufacturers or the only manufacturers who's offered 5 cars in electric segment. So we are doing well, and I only hope I can get more electric cars, and I'm sure in the days to come, even Kerala, we will launch the e-tron very soon, and our customers will love the electric cars that we have launched. We are very confident because, like I mentioned, very well educated customers, very well traveled, so they are very happy to let's say embrace the new technology and sustainable technology. And that's why I'm sure electric mobility will be prominent, and Audi will play a positive role in promoting electric mobility in Kerala.
In recent times, I read some articles about autonomous driving and something like that into the future from the Audi India or Audi in global, for that matter. And would you please say something on that?
So I think before we get into autonomous driving, our focus will remain to be connected cars. So that is something which is first focus, and autonomous later on, because as far as autonomous driving goes, I think every country is at different stage, and keeping in mind the complexities and the road and infrastructure that we have in India, I think that is something which will be at later date rather than before. And right now the focus is connected cars. So all the cars that we are selling from 2020 onwards, they're all connected cars. So whatever feature we can give to our customers with connected cars, so that's the first focus that we have. So obviously these features, whatever customers need from us, we continuously evolve, and as and when we launch new models, or whenever there is an upgrade to the existing model to the next generation, we keep on upgrading the technologies that are available for our customers. And anything which is making, let's say, whatever is within the legal framework of the country, we tend to bring for the customers.
Since you are looking into a new investor for the Audi Kochi and looking forward to get more customers, what are the plans for apart from the media events, what are the plans you are planning in Kerala?
I think the most important planning is always taking care of our existing customers.
Okay.
So in the next few weeks, months, we will be launching multiple campaigns, and we will reach out to every possible customers, so that if they have any problems, we take care of it, or if they are happy, then how we can get them a new car, or how we can buy their car and sell to somebody else in Audi approved plus business. So taking care of our existing customer is our first priority.
Okay.
And obviously we'll renovate the showroom, so we'll bring in more and more cars, including electric mobility, into Kerala, and that is something which is, and of course our media journalist friends, we will also bring in more and more cars for them to drive, so that they're able to reach out to more customers, and they can give their feedback on each of our cars to our customers, because that helps spread the word. So we already have service packages up to 5 years, which customers can buy. We have warranty up to 7 years. We have roadside assistance up to 8 years. So all these packages are available. And as we will reach out to more and more customers, we will also announce special program for Kerala customers, so that they can also buy these programs.
Yeah, that's what my point. What is the new package for the Kerala customers? As you are
absolutely, we will announce this
here
in the next few weeks, and we will announce this one-on-one with our customers. So to all of the customers through email IDs, or through their phones, or through one-to-one communication. Not only these programs that we will launch, but we will also do multiple activities, drive events for our customers, like Quattro Drive.
Okay.
So customers can come, they can drive our cars, they can drive their own cars. So these kind of experiences also we will give to our customers.
Customer experience programs.
Yes,
okay.
yes.
Which makes sense, yeah.
Oh, I love Kerala. I love Kerala. It's God's own country, and I'm looking forward to eating local food.
Oh, yeah.
That is, every time I come to Kerala, that's my passion. That the best possible food. I love South Indian, and Kerala is my favorite.
Wow. And looking forward to meet you again and again in Kerala.
Pleasure is mine.
Yeah.
So Kerala, basically what we will have is, we have one showroom in Kochi, which we'll renovate now. The work will start, and we have 3 workshops, as I mentioned, in 3 locations. The next step for us will be also opening Audi approved plus pre-owned cars showroom in one of these 3 locations that we will also open up. So that will actually, the idea is that we have to be closer to the customer when it comes to after sales. That's why we have 1 showroom and 3 workshops.
Okay.
See, buying happens once in 3 years.
Yes.
But servicing happens every year, or if there is any trouble, we have to be very close. So the way geography of Kerala is, you need to have multiple workshops. So that's why we are spread across the state, and we can give digital experience of new car buying to our customers, or pre-owned cars buying. You can actually buy, the full experience of buying can happen online. So those things are very, very advanced today in digital selling.
Okay.
But servicing the cars is most critical, and that's why we are spread across the state. We always have demo cars at workshops. Customers can drive those cars. We can reach their homes. They can have digital experience. So all those things are possible. But for the time being, I think we are good enough in one location, because a lot of sale today happens digitally. And our strategy of workshop first approach, we always focus on workshops, so that customers are given convenience of servicing their cars. As I said, selling is once in 3 years, once in 4 years. It is easy to manage digitally also at only one location. I think in general, Kerala has been a market where the high-end cars selling is the highest. People are not only are they very well educated, very well traveled, but they also have financial means to buy the high-end cars. So for us, Kerala, not only focusing on volume, but personalized cars like Audi 8 we just announced, which customers can personalize. Even electric car they can personalize, because they are still FBUs. So I think our focus will remain top down in Kerala. The strategy will be focusing on top, and obviously selling also the volume cars. See, we are all in competitive markets, but we have to also focus on sustainable business for our dealer partners. So we've recently, in November last year, launched the Q5, and we've recently launched in the first quarter the new Q7, and we just announced the Audi 8. So I think we have a vast plethora of cars available, and at present today. You will also hear from us very soon in the next couple of months, more launches.
Okay.
And I'm sure Kerala customers will love the cars that we sell.
So thank you very much for this interaction, and looking forward to see you again and drive the car.
Pleasure. Very soon.
Yeah.